Hey, what's going on Facebook? What's going on YouTube? Shooting a video, another benefits video. Woke up to a flat tire today, so I had called the company, and they sent someone over, so just showing, just the gist of it. I'm not gonna shoot too long, but if you'd like to learn how to get these benefits like so, then just feel free to comment info on this post, or if you're seeing this on YouTube, just feel free to subscribe to my channel, and just leave a comment in the comment section, or I'll also leave a link in the description for this for YouTube. So I'm just gonna keep this short and sweet, but just to let you know, I got someone coming out doing it, someone out here doing the dang thing. So thanks and enjoy.